Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is not about cakes, but I couldn't have missed the chance to share this recipe with you. I love the season of pumpkins and as a result the pumpkin soup. This recipe is super easy and quick and you can change it according to your needs. Make sure you watch this video till the end to see the delicious result. And if you like cooking, don't forget to subscribe and let's enjoy cooking together. Today I am cooking a relatively small amount of soup which will be serving about 4 people. For this I am peeling and cutting 1 carrot and 2 garlic cloves, as well as a piece of pumpkin which I found in the shop. In total, as you can see, the weight was 735 grams. I am using the chicken broth, but you can do it using just water as well. And by the way, I'm not going to use chicken itself in the soup because I'm going to use another type of meat later. I have placed the vegetables into the salted broth. Right at this part you can choose any spice that you like and prefer. I wanted it to be just a tiny bit spicier than usual, so I have added a mixture of dried chili and garlic. Then I have added a bit of coriander followed by mild paprika. In total, it took about 15 minutes for the vegetables to be boiled properly. Right at the same time, I started frying onions and more garlic using a bit of oil. And using a third frying pan, I have fried a bit of smoked bacon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. And of course, if you have any other ideas for making a pumpkin soup, please share them in comments. The next step is very important. When your vegetables are done, you need to make a decision whether you want your soup to be puree-like or a bit more liquid. And if you want your soup to be puree-like, please make sure you take out a bit of liquid before you blend it. I didn't want my soup to be really thick, so I started with blending vegetables for a bit and then I added fried onions and garlic. And then I continued blending it till I got a very smooth, nice pumpkin soup. And now we're ready to serve it. Pour soup into a bowl, add some bacon and Parmesan cheese. If you like herbs, you can add them too. They can be dry or fresh. I have added some dill. And when all of the ingredients are finally in, mix all of them together. Remember that you can add anything you like in this soup and change the type of spices. This recipe has been actually created by myself only because of some reasons. I absolutely love pumpkin, I love cheese, I love dill, I love bacon, and why not mixing them together? Adding a bit of chili with garlic, which I absolutely love, as you have noticed probably, makes it even warmer at these cool evenings. Enjoy your soup. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bon appétit!